feel it, you don't mean it. Why you sad right now? I gotta feel it. There's something about your eyes. Move your body, feel the flow, do the moves, let it show, feel the rhythm, take control, grow the beat, is involved.
Move your body.
Move your body, feel the flow, do the moves. Feel the rhythm, take control, grow the beat, is involved. Move your body, feel the flow, do the moves, let it show.
Move your body.
Come and set me free. Yeah, I know we lost touch, but I'm still here. We were young, we were kids, it was something rare. I told you everything, but when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on, oh come on, yeah. When it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered or not. Come on, when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on, come on. You were someone I trusted with all my heart. Always understood where I was coming from. You cared about me. But when it all burned down and you lost my number, or you couldn't even call, didn't know if you recovered or not. Come on, come And I didn't know if I would see you again. Oh, did I lose you? I think I might have lost you. But when it all burned down and you were left with nothing, did you question God or did you see it coming? Come on, oh come on, yeah, come on.
Cocaine in my nose, got rose in my cup though. Started climbing my pole, she got me locked in on cup though. Cocaine in my nose, got rose in my cup though. Started climbing my pole, she got me locked in on cup though. Cocaine in my nose, got rose in my cup though. Started climbing my pole, she got me locked in on cup though. Cocaine in my nose, got rose in my cup though. Started climbing my pole, she got me locked in on cup though.
We are not alone. They are among us. As the skies light up, they believe we are blissfully unaware. But this activity by non-human extraterrestrial technology is capturing the attention
set me free. Give me one come and set me free.